and gentlemen, welcome back to another reaction video. We got Lose My Mind, Don Toliver featuring Doja Cat from the Formula One, the movie soundtrack that we're going to be getting that movie next month, June 28th, 27th, I believe. Here we are. I believe this is one of the first singles, maybe the first single to drop for the soundtrack. Came out a couple weeks, but here we are. Yeah, let's check it out. Don Toliver and Doja Cat. Interesting collab. We'll see how they sound together. Expecting a little banger. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we're gonna be getting. Let's get straight to it. Doja.
Bounce back when bottles is on me. I'm pushing a new pen, rewriting the story. Hello to my old ways, goodbye to the nosebleeds. You fighting to stay here, you part of the OD. Ain't finna pop for no reason. I don't throw shots, I run legions. I've been going over the top with no queen, been die with no regrets. This is my season, it's the bow trigger. Gift that keep giving, nothing to wrap up. I ripped a new ribbon, they wanted to catch up. Wanted my good riddance, you saw me a rock bottom. You wanted a new winner, I paved the way for 'em. Take the pain, double it, put it in way form. Safe to say, trouble ain't what you was made for. Keeping a ring on, I told them all game on the minute I came on.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was Lose My Mind, Don Toliver, Doja Cat for the F1 movie. I like it. I like the song. I mean, I like their I like that hook. I like that hook from Don Toliver, and then when they get together at the end, they're doing it together. Yeah, I like it. I like Doja's verse. The video is aesthetically, you know, pretty good. Guess it looks like an opening. Actually, no, not like an opening. It sounds. This looks like the plot twist kind of song. This looks like a song. It's like once the plot starts to hit, And once like there's like troubles and like, you know, the conflict starts to begin, this is like the song that gives hope, the song that gives inspiration, that kind of is like that leads towards success. It's like, oh, this dude has fucking, he's failed, he's lost all these races, his team is getting upset, he's upset that he's losing all these you know, races and whatever, he fucking crashes out and whatever, and then boom, these, you know, it's something, you know, that whole sequence combines together and boom, he comes back and it's just, oh, you know, yes, victorious, victory lap. That's just kind of like what I get here. That's how I picture it. This song could probably be at like the probably like in the credits after the movie is done. But yeah, I like the song. It sounds pretty dope. Yeah, Don Toliver, Doja Cat, interesting collab. They sound pretty good together. Can't lie. Fuck it, I'm fucking with it. See you guys in a bit. Oh shit! On my fucking TV, the Formula One trailer just popped up. What the fuck? They're fucking. There's what? June 27th. Yes, correction. It's coming out June 27th. Okay, great. Wow. Follow my social media. Thank you, please, very much. If you want to, you know what I'm saying. It's right there. You can see it right there at in the bottom right corner. Anyways, see you guys in a bit. More reaction videos coming. See you guys in a bit. Take care. And peace out, my friends.